In this short video, we'll explain how and why you should add the domains that you want to track against page 1 results in SERPsketch. When you're setting up your sketch, you'll reach the stage in the Setup wizard where you'll need to add domains. We ask for both a domain classification and a domain type, as well as the domain link itself. Typically, most of our clients want to track the full root domain, so they capture any page 1 result that has that root domain in it. There are occasions when the domain classification might be different. Let's run through adding domains and see how that might work. There are two ways of adding domains into SERPsketch. One way is simply typing the domain or pasting the domain into each domain type section. This will auto-categorize domain classifications for you. Let's add SportsDirect.com as an example. That's auto-categorized that as a root domain. If we were to add a Sports Direct campaign page, for example this one, that's now added it as a path. You can add multiple domains into each section. We can also add subdomains. Let's take HubSpot's blog as an example. blog.hubspot.com would be categorized as a subdomain. Some companies will use specific country subdomains for regional websites or knowledge hubs different to a commercial site. We do also have URL as a classification. That's where you'd be looking to understand the visibility of a single page. Perhaps you have a niche landing page that you want to show on page 1. So now we understand the different domain classifications, let's look at the types of domains. To get the best out of SERPsketch, you'll want to categorize the domains you add into different types so that you can understand that type's share of page 1. In SERPsketch, we currently have 4 domain types that you can specify during setup. Your owned domains, your social domains, partner domains and competitor domains. Owned domains are those where your brand or product line is primarily driving traffic. Using vacuum cleaners as an example, if I were Dyson, my own domain would be dyson.com or dyson.co.uk. Social domains are exactly as suggested. They are your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social channels that might on occasion appear in page 1 results for your keywords. Partner domains mean reseller or channel partners that are associated with your brand or product line. You can look at these domains as those you're happy to share space with on page 1 because ultimately the end result, i.e. revenue, benefits you. So in the Dyson example, John Lewis, Argos, AO.com would all be partner domains. In those instances, they may have a specific destination on their website dedicated to Dyson, and that's what we can add as the partner domain. Finally, we have competitor domains. These are those brands or products that you consider to be competing against for both page 1 space and ultimately revenue. So in this example, we might add Miele's vacuum cleaner page and Hoover's online store domain and so on. So I've gone through how you can add the domains individually into the right categories in SERPsketch, but you can also add them by importing them. First download the domain CSV. You'll see something like this. Then add in your domains with the correct classification and types and import them. Here's an example of a domain list we can import using Dyson again. If you happen to have chosen the wrong classification, we'll warn you that's the case, and you can easily edit it.